MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. First, to give you a little spec information on the boat is 27 foot overall. It has a beam of 9 foot and weight with engines and gear is approximately 7,500 pounds. Starting here on the transom, you see this boat has the new Mercury 300 V8s, twin power, also joystick piloting, which we'll point out at the helm. As we step through into the cockpit, so you have a freshwater shower when you come in from swimming. You have a large bench seat that folds up out of the way when you're fishing or you need the extra cockpit space. Mechanicals in the floor, scuppers on each side to drain overboard. Tow rails for when you're fishing, give you that good leverage. As we move up in the middle area of the boat, you have a mount for your table here. You have the Vantage seat, which does a number of different configurations. You can make a sun pad, you can face forward, backwards. Storage under the seat as well. And while we're on the port side here, you have the head compartment, which is very spacious, solid surface counters, stainless steel faucet, storage, vacuum flush head. As we move over to the helm area, got the nice captain's chair. All your controls are very easy in reach. Raymarine chart plotter and VHF, Mercury vessel view, fusion stereo, and then your joystick piloting. So from here you can move the boat when you're docking, come in sideways, twist it, spin around, makes it very maneuverable, easy to use around the dock. Also has the skyhook feature for when you need to stay in one place. You can hit skyhook, get your fenders and lines in place for when you're getting ready to dock. Digital throttle and shift, Lenco electric trim tabs, Mercury active trim, all very easy to reach. Your toggle switches all here on the dash as well. This boat is equipped with the hard top option, and it also has the bow sunshade. So the sunshade attaches to the hard top, goes up to the bow to these rod holders where it mounts. That's a really popular option right now on all of our whalers, particularly on the Vantage. As you can see, we have the sun pad in place, which turns the whole bow area into a nice lounging sun pad area. If we go all the way forward, you'll see this boat is equipped with a windlass. It makes for easy anchoring. You got the remote here. You also have controls at the helm. Then you also have a shower, so you can rinse your anchor off when you retrieve it. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd love to show you this boat or any boat we have in inventory. Please give us a call at 910-256-8100.